Okay, so it's the first snow of the year, and Rainey's never seen snow. So I want to see if she can look out the window. We're going to take her out in a minute.
Look, Rainey.
Come here. What's that? What's that?
She definitely can tell something. Look at her.
Yeah. We're gonna go out and play in that.
Rainey, do you want to go on a walk? Do you want to go on a walk?
You gonna go walk in the snow?
You do?
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty out. Oh, I can't wait to go out in it, but we gotta get bundled. Poor little Rain, she only has a tiny sweater. She's gonna be cold. We just got out our snow stuff, like our ski pants. The question is, will the pregnant lady fit in the snow pants? That waist looks real tiny.
The pregnant lady snow pant trial.
Oh no. Oh, the hip. Oh my.
Oh, sweetie.
Baby boy is sticking out.
I still think you're really cute. Rainey, ready to go to the snow? Ow.
Peter's like an impatient little kid. Let's go. I'm ready.
Okay, let's go. Here's Rainey seeing the snow for the first time. What do you think, Rainey?
This is beautiful.
Matching jackets.
Married people wear matching clothes.
And a cutie little dog in pink. Oh, she's like, I'm done. Rain, do you want to go home? Rain, you want to go home? Rain. Snow kiss.
Nobody can see our snow kiss.
So, it's like a snow cone without any flavor.
I'm ready to go in. I'm so cold.